Hey everybody, Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. Here's a quick video for you because here's another way we can help you with your home is repainting doors. This home and specifically had a couple doors that were damaged. This was a bedroom door, really small, but it's a bedroom door that wasn't installed right. And when they were using it, the new homeowner came in. You can't see it now because Anthony did an amazing job, but when they put the hinges on, they put the wrong screws and they put in there wrong. And when they put the screws in, it popped and cracked the door. So we split the door open more so. We used a screwdriver, pried it open, threw a bunch of wood glue in there, Gorilla wood glue, and then we had clamps on it overnight to secure the door back together. And then part of it, even it's a solid, but it's still split a real thin layer. It was almost like a veneer, but it wasn't, and that split off. So we glued that back down and then repainted everything. So the customer in this case had Advance Paints, which Advance Paints, it's a Benjamin Moore product, which I'm not a huge fan of the Advance Paint because it's an oil modified, I can't remember the language they use on it. It's right here. It's a waterborne alkyd. So it cleans with water, but has an oil base to it. So it takes forever to dry, so I hate using it. So in this case, 7 yesterday, I put one coat of paint on there. It was 7 hours that it took dry to the touch. And it was dry enough that I could flip the doors and then put a second coat on there. And then it's really hot. Yesterday and today, it's about 98 degrees. So I had air conditioning on to kind of get that to dry out so we can actually transport those back to the house. So that's another way we can help your house is painting your doors. Even if it's just a couple, we can bring them back to our shop and give them a good spray. That way they match the rest of your house without having a spray in your home. If you got questions on painting, what kind of paint we use, give us a call to Franco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you out the space you're in.